great, great. You know, after win, it's always great. Especially it's a game. We have two chances, only one chance. We can say that. If you lose, you are out. And first game, you make 1-1 at home. We play good, but we didn't score. We have a lot of chances, we didn't score. And this game was different. Every chance we have, we score. So it's great. Yes, I'm satisfied because we win. But about myself, I can do better. I must do better, and I will do better. And I start to find my form. Since I came to Vojvodina, to say it's true, I didn't play yet my all the game because I don't remember to play 3 games or 4 games without any injury. Since I came to Vojvodina, I don't know what's going with me. I'm every time injured, so difficult to get my form. So thank God now I'm getting better and better. So I hope in few games I will be in my best and to try to help the team more and more. Yeah, it's good. It's good to score. I didn't remember last time I scored, so it was good to score. It was really good to score. It's a good feeling, especially because we come 1-1. We know we should score first and to don't take goal. So it was a great feeling. Yes, it's difficult, but we must improve, and to improve we must play with the best team. So I think we have a great team. We just have confidence in ourselves, and it doesn't matter which will play. If you have mentality to go to win, I think we can win all the team. Sì, vado a cominciare ancora a fare ancora lezioni perché voglio parlare bene italiano e per questo devo fare ancora lezioni.